Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds Philips available for your iPhone? I already installed and set up the application what Philips offer for the earbuds. It calls Philips headphones, and if we open it we can check a list with supported devices. Our model is TAT1108, so if we find this model here at the list, meaning the application available for these earbuds. So let's scroll down, TAA, but we need to find TAT. Okay, we have TAT, this one is 1158, but not our model. Maybe at the bottom, but no. So my short answer is no, the application do not available for your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.